What is up, guys? YouTube J3, like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm just gonna review real quick the Fantasy wireless charger QI standard. So I don't know exactly what QI standard means, but maybe we'll find out. Fast charging speed, low temperature, safe built-in voltage. All right, so assembled in China. All right, so let's check this out. I've never actually used one of these. Actually used one of these yet because I don't know why. Because I have regular chargers, but I haven't used one of these stand ones yet. Come on, get out of there. Alright, so nothing else is in here, right? No. Alright, so this is how we look so far. Oh, cool. It comes with this huge... Oh, I see. So basically, you plug this into a wireless port, so then you just put your phone on top of this, then it will charge it. So you don't have to go through the trouble of basically plugging your phone in. You just have this one plugged in. That's what I am assuming anyways. Let's find out. So far, guys, hold on. There's a blue. It's giving off like a blue, like a light inside, and there's blue here on the top. So let's go ahead and put a phone on here and see if what happens if you just put a phone. The battery is on top here, and it's not changing. So maybe we're doing something something wrong. Guys, basically, I think this is charging first, and maybe this has to be charged first. Maybe. So, the instruction says connect the wireless charger to... Connect a wireless charger to an outlet such as AC adapter. Then the LEDs light up. So we saw that. Put your phone on the charging plate and the battery starts to charge. The LED light blinks during the charging. If the phone doesn't start to charge, please try to reposition it. Yeah. So it was blinking for a few minutes, but maybe, yeah, I'll try to reposition it or something.